Ein le sin na nach raibh catagan. Bhí orin cata áil íosacht. Harla go raibh cata an bailí páistí.
Oh, I get it now. The witch is her when the witch
Yeah.
he doesn't have it. Now I understand.
No, the expression was it being hard for the witch. Yeah. Okay, what we're going to do is have you guys read it through one more time. Try.
Now I get it.
Okay.
Give me the easy one.
Good thing class is so long.
Let's see, why don't we go, you want to start us off? Or we'll go,
For what?
let Bob start us off. You want to start off?
Do it again.
For what?
Okay, Bob, you want to start us? We'll go read number 1.
Caroline Shedix, Janan to here, Daniel Bayrun, Marvin, Nard. How do you say that? I'm sorry, how do you say that? Dutch, sir?
Dutcha.
Dutch.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay, Kurt, or Ketchling?
An sin de réir a chéile, tuigeann tú nach tusa an taon duine amháin atá sa cás céine.
Lucas of Shagagan Ria Kajika Walmart.
Apné go nosnach.
Go gosnoch.
Go gosnach. An mar sin
A lehage.
Lehage. Ac
A wallert.
Fad a hala.
Cabernet Sauvignon for Reagan, Madras, Shaft, and Lucha. For first of all, for one August, were Heish Pine, Shina Heish, Shina, Choice, Shaft. Nora Hugama, Dara,
Fuijara.
Fujera, Sora Lucha, again, Yak, Reches, again.
The Jackrachti again.
Ní antí.
Aintien.
What is it?
Ni aintien.
Ni antien fair antiva. Home?
Lehain
Lahain sias?
sais.
Sais. Kulak.
Kuralachta. Iwaver. Don Chalya. Your ain nos.
Cap on farm, Mocker Lord, Olakat, Sachak Lena, Ruga.
Yanin fire wine, Lashin, and not red cardigan.
The orange cut, a oil,
Kata oil.
there is that.
The Iesach.
There is.
Kaich.
Carla go to cás egan bhí.
Again, Bailey Pashti. And get number 1. Like, no, or Harlean. Ditcha. Iracht. Fui ruin. Dian Naira or.
An sin de réir chéile tuigeann tú nach tusa an taon duine amháin atá sa chas céan.
Ni rev luchas cha agan rev go chi go warmar matra. That was close.
Yeah, Rio is the only one. Rio.
Rev.
Yeah. And
Cat may go kano
go gosnoch.
go go snow. On Madras Shin Lehedge,
The lehage.
Alehedge, Ach Wallar Fad Harla.
Okay. I'm going to just cover a couple words that were hard in this.
Oh, wait, that's a good question.
Huh? Oh, you didn't get one. Sorry. Go ahead and do one. Sorry. The guy start with Bob. Yeah.
Capimage.
And when everybody else is doing it, I can say it in my head.
Yeah.
Capimage,
Capimage-inish.
Capimage-inish, Gurleja Madra, Ischak, na Lucha, Gurchur, Sefalcha, Rolpu, August, Gur, Haspian,
Heshbon.
Hashboin, Sena, Haichina, Istiola, Sa, Chek,
Doiv. Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
In your head, you don't have to
Yeah.
Great.
So first of all, happens Harlean.
Harlean.
And the three words we had together here, Nur, or actually let's do four of them. Nur a Harleanshe. So Nur a Harleanshe when it happens. When it happens. Nur a Harleanshe. Yeah. And this is the ending for things that happen now. Is often Ian, okay? So we had like Bian, Harlean, this happens, Imian goes, Lian lays, okay? You know what a Harlean one happens. The word for an attempt. Iracht. Gosnoch. Okay.
And what does that mean, Doctor?
That would protect.
Would protect. That's only.
A wallarch. Okay. Heshbon. So there's a sh sound there. Heshbon. Oh yes, this one of course. Difficulties. Jakrachti. Yeah. Kraltakta. Okay.
It's like the only one that's like the way it's spelled.
Yeah. Kraltakta, cruelty.
Any letters out here.
Okay, and that's the end of the whole thing. Ein Ibe a wine. Okay. And Egan Vili Pashchi. And the word for babysitter by itself is Vili Pashchi. Okay. So basically we're going to be doing this. We'll have different texts. Some of them are going to be a little easier, some are a little harder. Today I think we had a lot of new stuff in it. What you're going to find is all of these expressions show up over and over again. So we're going to be, the things we've been doing, go and gur is going to show up everywhere we go. Things with a lot of these expressions, a wallert, ira, parlean, teshpine, these are all very useful words in Irish. So I'm starting off with, maybe they're not entirely, it's very simple words, texts, but they're easier texts, okay? So sentences tend to be somewhat shorter than they are in more elaborate writings. I know Kevin wanted to do some stuff in Old Irish, but no, but actually I will be bringing in some of the not Old Irish stuff, but I'll be bringing in some stuff that's more like fables, and we'll be bringing in stuff that's more modern day. Some of them are going to be murder stories. Some of them are hopefully going to be nicer stuff.
I thought they're all murder stories.
Yeah.
What's in favor of
All right.
Oh, I went Old Irish.
Anyways, yeah, we're not going to do any old Irish stuff, but and you're going to find also that as we go on, that you're going to start recognizing more and more stuff in the text too.
Sometimes I can recognize it, but I don't know what the heck it means.
Yeah.
I've seen that word before.
Yeah, you're also going to find reading that's going to get a little easier as you go because you're going to be familiar at least with some of the phrases. So you're going to know that. So, anyways.
I have a question for you. This isn't an Irish question.
Uh-huh.